So as you can see here, again, I didn't instantiate this variable. I just declared this variable here, okay? Let's actually create a constant here. First of all, I need to actually specify the access modifier of my variable, private, static, and here I need to specify that I want to actually create a constant by just putting the final keyword here. And here this static keyword means that this variable is going to be a class variable, okay? So whenever that I actually refer to the name of this class in another class, I can directly access the value of this variable here because I actually put the static keyword here, okay? The data type of my constant int, and now I need to actually give a name to my constant, number underline of models, okay? And then I put an assignment operator here. So I want to actually instantiate this constant by just assigning the value 60 to my constant here. And now I want to actually create another object of type secure random class. So I just need to type in here private static and final, okay? The data type of my object is going to be of type secure random. The name of my object is secure random numbers, okay? Assignment operator, new secure random, okay? So I created an object of type secure random, and this object is actually a constant. So this means that this object is just gonna actually refer to some values inside the memory, okay? So this object is going to only refer to those values inside the memory. So now let's actually create a constructor here. So first of all, I need to specify the access modifier of my constructor, public, and the name of my constructor is puzzle, okay? And then I need to actually open and close this constructor by using these curly braces. As you can see here, it's now showing us an error, okay? Because the name of this constructor is not the same as the name of this class, okay? So remember, you must always write your constructor names the same as your class name, okay? So here I just need to put in a capital letter P, okay, puzzle. So now as you can see, the error is gone. So first of all, let's actually create an array of type string, okay? So I just need to type in here string, and as you can see that the data type of my array is going to be of type string. And here I need to specify that I am going to actually create an array here, okay? So I just need to put in a pair of brackets, and the name of my array is companies, okay? Assignment operator, and then I need to actually open and close this array by using these curly braces because I want to actually instantiate this array by just assigning some values to this array, okay? So the first value that I want to actually assign to this array is Apple, okay, comma, and the second value is Google, comma, the third value is Sony, comma, the fourth value is Samsung, okay, comma, and here the fifth value is HTC, okay? And then I need to actually put a semicolon at the end of my statement. So here again, I just want to create another array of type string, and here I need to specify that I want to actually create an array by using these brackets, okay, here after my type name. And now the name of my array is devices, and here I want to instantiate this array. So the first value that I want to assign to this array is Xperia Z3, okay, comma, and the second value is iPhone 6, comma, again put in two double quotes here, and here I just need to type in Galaxy Note 8, comma, and two double quotes here, and inside the double quotes again I can just type in Galaxy Note 10, okay, comma, again I want to actually assign another value to this array, and here inside the double quotes I can just type in iPod touch, okay, comma, HTC M9, okay, comma, Xperia Z5, okay, comma, iPad Nano, okay, comma, Xperia M, comma, Galaxy S6, okay, comma, Nexus 5, comma, Nexus 10. Okay, so now let's actually put in a semicolon at the end of our statement. Okay, now let's actually instantiate this company and devices array here inside of this constructor. So I just need to type in here companies and devices, assignment operator, new, okay, and again I need to refer to the name of this company and devices class, company and device, okay, and here inside of these brackets I need to actually specify the size of this array. So the size of this array is number of models, okay, 60. So here I just need to refer to the name of that constant, number of models, okay, and here I need to put in a semicolon at the end of my statement. So now I want to actually give a value to this current device model here inside of this constructor, current device model assignment operator 0. Now let's actually create a for loop here inside of this constructor for, and inside the parenthesis let's actually create a variable of type integer, and the name of my variable is index 0 semicolon, and here I need to actually create a condition, index less than companies and devices, okay, dot length, okay. So this loop is going to be executed until the value of this index variable is less than the value of the length of this company and devices array, okay. So here again I can just type in index plus plus. So after each execution of this for loop, the value of this index variable is going to be incremented by 1, okay. So now inside of this for loop I want to actually give some values to this company and devices array. So as you can see here in line 24, we actually specified that the size of this array is 60, okay, and that means that this array is going to accept 60 values of type company and device class, okay, and we just specified the size of this array. Now I want to actually give values to this array. So in order to give values to this array, I just need to refer to the name of this array, company and devices, okay, and I need to actually put in a pair of brackets after my array name here, and inside of the brackets I need to actually refer to the name of this index variable here, okay, assignment operator new. I want to actually instantiate this array by actually assigning values of type company and device class, as you can see here, company and device class, and I want to actually instantiate this array by actually creating values of type company and device class. So we just need to actually put in the new keyword here, okay, and here I need to refer to the name of this class, company and device, and here we need to actually specify 2 values for this constructor, okay. So as you can see here, now the constructor of this class is actually going to be called, okay, because we are actually instantiating this array, okay, the indexes of this array by creating objects of type company and device. So whenever that you actually create an object of type company and device, the constructor that is actually inside of this class is going to be called, okay. So that's why we need to actually specify some values here for this constructor, company and device, and inside the parentheses, first of all, we need to actually specify the company name, and second of all, we need to actually specify the company device. So inside the puzzle class, so now for the constructor of this company and device class, as you can see here, we are now gonna actually create some company and device objects, okay, from this class, okay, and then we want to actually assign those objects to this array, company and devices, okay. This is the array that we actually declared in line 12 here inside of this puzzle class, okay.